Okay, here we are at the Dynastic in Benidorm. Key to let yourself in. Into the hallway. Excuse all the decorations, I'm here for my 40th birthday with friends and they've decorated the room. So we've got the standard double, so we get 2 twin beds, got a TV, place for your luggage, bit of a desk. Don't think, oh, we have wardrobe area and I believe it's a safe on the other side. Yep, safe. Hangers. Going past all the glitter. Okay. Balcony. I believe we have a pool view. Or a slight pool view. There's the pool. Lovely. And that's the view.